What's up, everybody? Michael, the debt-free landscaper. Merry Christmas to all of you. Wanted to share my little investment that you guys helped me get for Christmas. You guys supporting us, buying some of our contracts, allowed me to reinvest in what I got going on here. Per the recommendation of my buddy Brian over at Brian's Lawn Maintenance, he made a couple suggestions of some things I could pick up that wouldn't break the bank, but would help improve the quality of content that I put together for you guys. So let's take a quick look here. I was able to snag this Joby Gorilla Pod here. So it's got the stand, move the feet around, something to grip to, stabilize my shot. Also manages to fit my big fat iPhone 8s with my big fat OtterBox case on there, no problem. Don't have to take anything apart. Last thing I want to do is take cases on and off every time I want to shoot stuff for you guys. I got the Rode Video Micro Mic, real pumped on that. Came with a dead cat. Those are like 20-30 bucks on their own. I think the microphone itself was like 60 bucks, so that was pretty sweet. In order to get the microphone to work for my iPhone, I needed to get the Rode SC7 TRS to TRRS patch cable, but because my iPhone doesn't have a headphone jack, I had to get the Lightning to headphone jack adapter. So all four components here got for under 100 bucks at Best Buy here in Southeast Michigan. Go ahead, comment below, guys. Curious what you guys are running. Always gonna learn and grow here, so give me some stuff to look out for maybe on the next round of purchases. But anyway, take care, God bless. We'll catch you on the flip side.